Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to do a short video of some things that have sold over the past maybe half day, maybe since like late last night, and it's about 1:30 in the afternoon here today. If you're new to the channel, my name's Beth and I'm a reseller on many different platforms, and I just want to give encouragement to those that feel like they could never do reselling because all of they see are people selling high-end merchandise and things like that. But I'm here to tell you that you can sell everyday items and make a good profit on them. Simple stuff sells, simple stuff that can be found in any neighborhood in America, in any Goodwill, in any Salvation Army, anywhere, anyway. So, with that said, let's get into it. First is this Ann Taylor blazer. I did get this at Goodwill for $1 and it's a great find, but this kind of stuck around for a little bit, but that's okay. I'm in the volume game. I'm okay with storing items, and that's okay. And this blazer sold for $14 on eBay, and I'm very happy with that sell. I think that that's a great, price for that item. Next is another eBay sale. This is Joy Lab pants from a liquidation. And again, sporty, athletic, great everyday find. Anybody can get them in a liquidation box, the bin stores, which I will be doing a future video on the liquidation bin stores that are just popping up all over the country. I've heard of them. I think there are more than 5 in my town. I just only go to a specific one because I know the people there and I feel comfortable there. But they are everywhere, and I am encouraging you to go out and find them because this is all liquidated merchandise from Target, brand new with tags, great to sell. And these sold for $10, and I think that that's, again, a great sale. This is a loft sleeveless blouse, sold for $10. Patriotic, red, white, and blue ruffle. You can't go wrong with items like that, especially if they're themed items. People, with Memorial Day coming up, Independence Day, all of that, they're going to be buying anything like that. So I encourage all of you to pick up things that have a theme like that, even if it's not an in-your-face theme. Red, white, and blue floral screams summer, holiday cookouts, things like that. And that also sold for $10. This is a Goodwill find for $1. Next is an H&M geometric skirt. It sold for $13.50 on eBay. And this is kind of just your basic everyday skirt. Not necessarily something that I used to pick up. Even sometimes when I would see H&M, I'd say, that's, mall brand. But now I'm picking up everything because I've learned in the past year or so that everything sells. And it sells within short periods of time. I mean, some people think 6 months is a long time to hold inventory. I don't think so. I just bought that loft tank top or sleeveless blouse. I just bought that, I think, about 2 months ago. So again, basic bread and butter brands, all of these brands that people say they pass up in the thrift all the time, I will take them all day, every day. Next is these 7 jeans. They're like a tummyless. That's what they were titled. There's some sort of feature that I guess they have, and they sold for $11 on eBay. They're stretch, things like that. But again, those sold pretty quickly too. Those sold, I believe I got those about a month ago at Goodwill for $1. And lastly, this is so adorable that I couldn't wait to post these. This is the Aldi pet hoodie sweater that Aldi had. I think it was maybe about 2 months ago, maybe 3 months, maybe during the winter at some point. I love to shop Aldi, and I saw this in their flyer. And if I had a dog, I have a cat, but if I had a dog, I would definitely put my dog in this. It was just the Aldi logo. like clothing for a dog. And that sold on Poshmark for $11. I still have one more in stock. It's a size large. That was the small. That was liquidation bins as well. So that's a quick sale video, and I just want to encourage all of you that feel like I live in a small town and I can't find all of these trendy pieces, that you can still do this. It is very possible. And in the future, very soon, I went to the liquidation bins today, and I have a wonderful haul to show you. 3 bags worth. I think I bought 78 items, and today I was very happy to walk in there, and they lowered all clothing to $1. Usually they only lower clothing to $2, but they maybe do that once every 1 or 2 months. So fabulous. And I'm looking forward to seeing you then. Until then, let's all find a home for everything.